Oi! Hello, hello, hello. Mana online. Mana website. Kau orang tu chat boleh nak boleh nak susi. Cukup slide, cukup slide.
Hold up, we got hostile activity.
Rap kot gaming mus. Oi. Ashu lihat deh live stream taman tahi pancu. Dia kuat kali net ko ang yang ang hani mentah tak badang.
The drone is up. Target marked. Keep an eye on your background.
Eyes on a narco
That
with a
car's got no
submachine
line.
gun, close to that nasty-looking dump.
Ashu dia kai kan ni kenang ba Bandar ke bakin yo efek ke ngapat keren lembek jom ni dia. Jadi ko ay nga keren di ong keren kasi.
I can't see squat. That drone's being jammed.
Oh, hani ada. Nice bro. Thank you.
I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area.
Transmitting intel on enemy positions.
Ibang le rukom le kai pi te. Wan si dorani ata kublai shikuan. Le pidan jikli orang le kena kanim tasi tong matinyo. Le pidan na kikwa ban jikli yang bapi dan ong. Sama jubab tak bangala. One jet jala. Hi sir. Hello. P90.
Rally up, people.
Copy. All right, we're all clear.
Chat.
Hey, ¿qué pasa?
Buckle up,
We
people.
dominate South America's drug trade with our medicina flooding the streets of Sao Paulo, of Rio de Janeiro, of Buenos Aires. And what comes next? How does Santa Blanca grow and expand? We must reach a new customer. We must set our sights on the opposite side of the world, Asia. We will take our cocaine to the Far East, as the Asian economy has grown, as trade agreements between countries have opened up. Opportunities for Santa Blanca have appeared. Many of our amigos in Mexico have already begun to take advantage of this new situation, and we will benefit from these relationships. The future of Santa Blanca is before us. We only have to reach out and take it.
Para que se enteren quiénes
guns down, fellas. We don't want to scare them all off.
It's a Santa Blanca commendation. Those Sicarios will be missing this. We'll leave a marker so the rebels can pick up the supplies later.
Boleh kemudian kencang dia. Kemudian dia ada kemudian dia dikontrol dan support juga. Macam dia. Kemudian
Put a call to the rebels for some reinforcements.
Copy that, compa. Troops on the way.
Ready? Open fire.
Roger.
Fire.
We'll go. Engaging. Target is down. No more tangos here. Well, that was messy as shit.
Actually, I'm going to
Looks like
Ready?
we're going.
Fire, fire, fire.
Copy. I'm opening fire. Target down.
Jepang kita, Jepang kan dengan saya cuma tak.
Those Sicarios are going to destroy the emitter. Got no tangos on my radar.
Frag out.
good, we're
Get
good.
some.
They're on
Fire.
alert. Copy. One's close.
Broadcast complete. That should boost the rebels' morale.
Amigos, you're doing good work. But my people say the villagers talk about American DEA fighting the cartel in the provinces.
People will talk back. Even the Cocalero with one plant knows that if...
Itulah ada. Ini jar malat. Ini ya. Unidad HQ and Flore de Oro. Basically, map managing here. Itu mga ini barat hang niya. We are lies south. Siya nga ka mission mo. Tindak ka.
Unidad's dark.
You kill an American,
Okay, wait.
we strike back with overwhelming force.
Perhaps. Or perhaps you have let someone leave who should not have lived. And this person spoke of you.
We're not hitmen, Pack. We'll decide who we kill. Don't let rumors worry you. Nomad out.
Unidad's darkest secrets are hidden on a server at Mob Jaguar. Infiltrate the base, Hack the server and get me those files. I'm gonna turn these assholes inside out.
Be afraid.
Esto es Radio Santa Blanca.
Encuentre todo y encuéntrelo al mejor precio solo en Mercad, la cadena de supermercados líder en Bolivia. Si no lo encuentra en Mercad, no lo encuentra en Bolivia.
Please pass here. Esperanza Santa Blanca has donated millions of dollars and hundreds of hours to aid the people in Bolivia, most notably in the province of La Cruz.
Firing.
Their LT is trying to run.
They've seen us. Sniper's got us targeted. Find some cover, fast!
Ah, why not?
God damn, that was close. Marking a tango. He's close to that local.
Watch for civilians. We don't want to kill somebody by mistake.
Drone is airborne. Marking a captain.
I'm moving to position. Target acquired. Standing by.
Figured out why I don't like the cartel.
The drugs and murder?
These loud-ass propaganda kiosks. If they were just courteous with the noise, I might take it easier on them. Frag out.
Supply. Like unit of stake.
Maybe we should keep the guns down, make sure we don't scare anybody.
Jadi untuk video berkontrol.
Hang on, I'll drive.
flor de oro.
Venga a nosotros tu reino y hágase tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo.
¿A quién anda buscando? ¿Cómo es culpa?
All right, I'm in.
شوفوا وين عملية.
Con DJ Perico.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Fire, fire, fire.
Opening fire on these fuckers. Roger. Escort. Oh, get away from there.
Shit. Me dad decided to show the fight.
We're in a target 4 environment. Find some fucking cover. Get down.
لا يا
Thanks.
Damn, that guy's dead. Man down. Just hold on to your shit. Man down. Man down.
Frag out. Get some.
Man down over here. You plan on letting me bleed all day? I got you, man. Just hang tight. I'm heading your way.
Están por llegar los refuerzos. Eliminen a esa gente de inmediato.
Thank you. Down, get down, chopper.
Necesitamos espera. A partir de la malla con todo. Vamos a enseñarles quién manda. ¡Disparen!
Unidad's darkest secrets are hidden on a server at Mob Jaguar. Infiltrate the base, hack the server, and get me those...
Bowman, we're boots down in Libertad province. What can you tell us?
Libertad is where Santa Blanca gets the precursors it uses to refine coca paste into cocaine. It's a tricky process that requires special knowledge and a lot of very nasty chemicals. Intel on the ground is pretty thin. The local Buchon keeps a very low profile. We think he might be one of the cartel's top chemists, so I'd really love to find out what he knows. Get out there, rattle some cages, and see what you can find out.
Copy that. We're on it.
Here's your combat vehicle. The keys are inside.
Ready? Open fire.
Roger. I'm shooting these fuckers. Got him. He's down.
Up on Unidad's main operating base.
I'm seeing rail lines coming in and out. Watchtowers, warehouses. Is that a heliport?
Bowman's intel is up to snuff. The data center's somewhere underground. Let's go find the basement.
Unidad patrol headed our way.
Rally on me.
Copy that.
Okay, we're cool.
Dapat yang kian kalau berkembang kat ikut hati isi ni. Oh, dah buat cara cuba. Cuba terus kan. Nanti aku buat boleh dah. Macam mana abang mir bah ada dia yang ni. Macam tu dia lah.
Sniper up in the tower. Sniper, top of the tower.
Não faz parte. Yeah. Oh, damn it.
Got another tango. I got a third target.
Dale.
Hold your position.
Copy that.
I got a target carrying submachine guns. I got a third. Sniper up in the tower.
Oh,
Enemy marked.
Pemelapan nangkam drone.
Tangos are marked. What's the word? I've got the target. Dropped him. Target's marked. Just say the word.
Apache. Ramjik Shahne.
Rally up, people.
Moving.
One, betul jai.
Here's target number 5.
We're cool.
Stay there.
I copy.
Double ops, supply rates, skill point. Double ops. Yeah.
This says we can find an airdrop care package if we just look in the right place. Let's roll. Rally on me.
Roger that.
Oh,
Data center may be down here. Let's see where this tunnel leads us.
Uy, mga ay pa. Yes, lang. Kalimutan mo.
All right, we're all clear.
He makes 5.
Marking an enemy.
Just spotted one with submachine guns.
Besar met pistool.
Hold your position.
Roger. Got it. Target's marked. Standing by for go order. Eyes on the target. Target eliminated. In position. Target's marked. Just say the word.
Here's the terminal with access to the main system.
¿Están listos para el trabajo de mañana? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo se siente? Lo veo mal.
Frag out. Come in mierda, culeros. The drone is up.
Some hombres close by heard the explosion.
Fuerzas enemigas detectadas. Todas las unidades. Disparen a voluntad.
Ingat, betul dihita na. Ah, dapat shish. Akti.
Fucking hell.
A todas las unidades, comiencen el ataque.
I'm in. Pull security while I upload all these files to Bowman. There's a shit ton of data here. Data transferring. Maintain the perimeter.
Opening fire.
Get ready.
Estamos bajo el fuego de armas enemigas y no sabemos cuántos son. Ya vienen en camino tropas de apoyo.
Ah, hahaha. Ayap. Ah, ketinggalan masyad night man eh.
They expecting visitors, or are they just paranoid? If they're flexing their muscle, it's working. Should have brought a bigger rifle.
Stay there.
Copy.
Drone is airborne.
are
I got a target carrying submachine guns.
live.
Target spotted.
Wah, ini really apa ni?
¿Crees que algún día se acabe todo esto?
Shish. Kunjuk aqui.
With me, man. I'll be right there.
Fuck took you so long? Stay there. Rally on me.
Ugh. He's dead.
Acabamos de enviar tropas adicionales justo ahora. Ataquen y destruyan al enemigo.
Đây đi bên ai đã cả. Ở không được. Được.
Call for some rebels to back us up.
Man down over here.
Las tropas han chocado con fuerzas enemigas sin identificar.
Just hold on, man. I'll be right there.
Varias bajas. Las unidades para contraatacar ya vienen para acá.
Thanks, man. It'll be okay. I'm on my way.
Shit. Jambah. Kau dah mening layak sini ya. Like po minute.
Hold your position.
We'll go.
Deploying drone. Just spotted one with submachine guns.
Got a tango. Enemy marked.
Oh, does he wait?
And baby makes 3.
Look at. Salah nak pakai jajah pun. Yep, sure. Stop.
Here's the terminal with access to the main system.
We are not. Hack the main data server.
I'm in. Pull security while I upload all these files to Bowman. There's a shit ton of data here. I call...
Taking a shot.
Fire!
Go loud, go loud. Oh damn.
A todas las unidades,
Oh,
comiencen el ataque.
Wala kang jaga.
Shit balls.
Ah, hahaha. Oi, salah poskan keluar. Tangla, jangan gitu tangla.
Fucking hell.
Kendai, pra, yo, hiu, sun, sao, lai, ray.
We're good. Bowman's got everything worth getting. Let's go. Yo, rally up.
Roger, moving.
We pulled some interesting intel from that data hack.
What have we got?
General Barrow's former aide is in jail. Turns out he knew a little too much about Unidad's dirty laundry, so Barrow locked him up. You set him free. He might feel like sharing some secrets he has on his old boss.
That dog will hunt.
We also found information that assets we have placed within Unidad may be exposed. Somehow, some Santa Blanca mook found out who they are, and he's planning to name them to an Unidad captain named Iglesia. You have to silence this cartel informer.
We got a location on the target?
Negative, but we have a location on the Unidad captain. Find him, tail him to his meet with the Santa Blanca informer, then take out the informer.
Roger that. Let us know if you pull anything else from that data hack.
The more locate the Unidad captain without being detected.
To the market, Jeeves.
Okay, do we mission? Yeah. Oh, tambah. Ke di Unidad base tengah muka. Sempet.
One of our agents within Unidad has been exposed. A cartel operative is set to meet with his Unidad contact to give up the agent's identity. We can't let that happen. Follow the Unidad officer to his meet and eliminate the operative.
Okay, we're cool.
El enemigo ha retrocedido. Todas las unidades regresen a su patrullaje normal.
Yo, we We got hostiles. Yo, eyes on the grunt. There, next to the turret. I got eyes on a Jenny.
Tango number 3. Sniper, top of the tower.
Ini kan IBM Dhaka. Sniper. Tuh. Iya, tuh dan itu.
MX-5.
Enemy spotted.
I got a target carrying submachine guns. Just spotted one with submachine guns.
Getting a position. Target marked. I'm moving to position. Target acquired. Standing by. Roger. Moving to a better position. Roger. Target acquired. Copy. Good to go. Target marked. I'm engaging tangos. Looks like we've riled them up. Okay, we're still all right. We're good, we're good.
Stay there.
Roger that.
Skill points. Sampai gini chat lebih keren.
¿Crees que algún día se acabe todo esto?
We're cool, we're cool. Relax, we're still good.
Lo veo mal.
Poke the hornet's nest. Get to cover.
Hahaha. Aku ada jatah muri-muri.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Kualik dream jangan itu.
Fuck took you
Opening
so
fire.
long.
Fucking sniper's got a 0.
Lại quay thật à. Tutup benar mau umat đây. Oh, kena sini ya. Kerana. Oh, lại quay.
I'll pilot.
ayuda.
Una novedad hasta ahora. Mantenga la búsqueda. Las tropas hostiles abandonaron esta zona. Todas las unidades salgan del servicio.
Hemos enviado refuerzos a su posición. Acá tenemos el
مش فرنسا قاعد ألمانيا كأيوه بيت بنشوف والله مش بيجار
The drone is up. Confirming target as La Unidad contact. It's gonna lead us to the Santa Blanca informer. Let's keep this clean and by the numbers.
Diga, you have something good this time. That last chip was mierda. Yankee spies in la unidad? How many? Listo. $10,000. No, I can't meet there. Meet me at the shack in the mountain. Bueno.
I wonder how many assets Bowman has out here.
Hell, if they're playing on our team, I'm not gonna complain when we gotta go save them.
True. We find the Unidad captain and kill the cartel informer he meets with. Hold your position.
Copy that. Moving to position.
Sniper up in the tower.
Eyes on the target. He's gone.
I got a target carrying submachine guns.
I got a grunt with a minigun. The fuel tank, see?
مش الفيل هو دكتور جايرو لا مطر
Right, compadre.
Heads up, hostiles in the area.
I'll drive.
I'm in. Let's roll. We're good to go.
Deploying drone. Confirming target as La Unidad contact. It's gonna lead us to the Santa Blanca informer. Let's keep this clean and by the numbers.
Diga, you have something good this time. That last chip was mierda. Yankee spies in la unidad? How many? Listo. $10,000. No, I can't meet there.
Yeah.
Meet me at the shack in the mountains. Bueno.
Sniper, top of the... I wonder how many assets Bowman has out here.
Hell, if they're playing on our team, I'm not gonna complain when we gotta go save them.
True. We find the Unidad captain and kill the cartel informer he meets with.
Rồi cái này hấp bắn buốt ET brio.
He makes 5.
Lo quedaría por una cheve.
Ang depan sa nasunod mo, labi ang kaya to. Siyempre ito ay nagkambansiat, nagkambansiat, laki na. Ito yung kulit nasunod. Ito na ka. Ganyan sa nasunod yun ay ito na. Ang kanya kalitin niya.
Hang back before they spot you. Ready. Call the shot. Christ almighty! Okay, we're still good.
Build the castle.
I got eyes on the Santa Blanca informer. Let's take him out.
We are.
Tango down, tango down. Cartel informer is dead. Our Nox and La Unidad are safe.
Tuh, nge-try lah dia. Tuh try lah. Gimana saya tuh? Kan usang upload biang hadut kat di exam.
They're on alert. The captain's getting away.
Ya kaingat apa siap ni wi. Pro cable sih
God damn, that was close.
Cuci dia mentah.
¿Qué chingados esperas? ¡A partir de la madre con todo! ¡Vamos a enseñarles quién manda! ¡Disparen!
They're coming right at us. What's the word, boss?
We're good. We all in one piece?
Siap sangat ni saya nak apa? Sedikit tengah tu. Saya kat sana. Dah deh. Sawo je. Siapa? Siap. Langsung. Saya nak mentah ni ya. Saya saya pepat ada dah di upanai nopra pada Desember kan special upload biang mental te pengalak dan snack sampai kami oposio dengan try kat tu biahi siapa